Algebra Essential students, welcome to week 5 of remote learning. This week we are going to have our quiz, our first quiz on systems of equations and a STAR test. We're going to look and see how your growth is over the semester on STAR and how it compares to last semester. So let me show you how to access all of these assignments on Google Classroom. Here we go. Algebra Essentials, click on classwork. Number 1 says watch this first. Hopefully you're watching this video. Week 5. Second thing, questions to stay connected. Here's our question for week 5. What is something you miss about being at Niles West? I miss having conversations with my teacher friends, especially Mr. D and Miss Chapman. After you answer the question to stay connected, go back to your classwork and continue on to number 3. It says click here to find your assignments. So let's look at our schedule, and then number 4 is where you're going to submit your quiz assignment. So let's look at the schedule. Weeks 1, 2, 3, and 4 are grayed out and crossed out because we've already done those. But if you are missing any of these assignments, the links are still working. You can still absolutely work on those old assignments, and we will put them in the grade book if they raise your grade. Week 5, to do Tuesday, due by 3 p.m. on Tuesday. Take this quiz by printing it or writing it on paper, and then take pictures of your quiz and submit it to the Google Classroom. Just like in our last test that we took pictures of it and submitted to Google Classroom. The quiz link is right on here. It's a PDF file for you to print or write on a separate sheet of paper. Then do Thursday, log on and complete a STAR test. Remember, don't use a calculator on STAR, just do your best. This link will lead you right to our Niles West link for STAR. Your username is your ID number, and your password is your 8-digit birth date. So I was born November 17th, 1988. My password would be 11/17/1988. If you were born in a single-digit month, like January, for example, make sure you put 01 for the month of January. So those are your 2 assignments, quiz and STAR test. So let's go back to your Google Classroom. Here's where you need to submit your quiz. Click on the assignment, New Systems of Equations Quiz, View Assignment. The instructions say, please print the quiz and complete it, or write answers on a separate sheet of paper. 2, take pictures or scan your work and submit those pictures to this assignment. And you do that by clicking the Add or Create button. Once you click on that button, you can share a Google document, a file that you've saved, something that you've saved in Google Drive. So add that here and then click Mark as Done. Make sure you click Mark as Done, please, 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 so then I can access your quiz and grade it. Your quiz will only go into the gradebook to count if it raises your grade. So just try your best, and if it raises your grade, awesome. If it ends up lowering your grade, I will not have it count in the gradebook. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to let me or Mr. D or Miss Chapman know. I really miss you guys. I hope you're all well and safe and happy. And again, if you need absolutely anything math related, not math related, just let me know. See you later.